Welcome to the Diagnosis Automator demonstration. What the Diagnosis Automator does within your NextGen application is it sits on top of NextGen existing functionality and automatically applies the diagnosis as needed so that your CPT2 codes can flow seamlessly out through your EHR, through your billing system, and directly to your payer or your clearinghouse. So let's look at how the specifics work. The coded results mapping template that you see demonstrated here is provided with your NextGen application. This template comes from NextGen, is pre-configured, and is a great utility that you can use within your system. It allows you to review the default values that come from NextGen, and you can also add your own custom values with a few limitations to this template. So for today's example, we're going to look at the vital signs pain score of 2 out of 10. That's the one that we're going to use for our example today. So on the NextGen out-of-the-box functionality, you see that this comes listed as a code system claim-based measures. So what the MTS Diagnosis Automator solution does is it sits on top of this NextGen existing functionality where your CPT2s are being captured and allows you to automatically apply a diagnosis code. The custom solution consists of one custom template that would be installed into your system and also a customization that would need to be made behind the submit button on your finalized template. Once those two pieces are put into your NextGen system, you can automatically submit those charges. So if we look at the custom MTS Diagnosis Automator template, you're going to see here that for that same example of the claim-based measure for the vital signs pain score of 2 out of 10, I have defaulted R52 as my automatic diagnosis that I want to be charged on that line item when a pain score of 2 out of 10 is documented within my EHR. So now I'm going to go to the home page and I'm going to actually demonstrate how this will work. So your nurse or your MA would be going through their normal workflow, and I'm just going to come down and quickly document a pain score of 2 out of 10 because that's the scenario we're using in this example. You would document all the other documentation elements that you might need for your visit, and then go to your finalized template so that you can charge out that visit. I'm just going to select a basic CPT code here, an E&M code, and I'm going to choose Submit Code. Behind this Submit Code, we have added custom logic that will look at the custom MTS mapping template and link that CPT2 code to the diagnosis code that we have defaulted in the template. So we're just running through our standard finalize functionality on the submit code. The master IM is generating because my system is set up to automatically do so. And now I'm just going to come down to my procedures module and see that for today's visit, my 99213 is submitted. And then also my CPT2 of 1125 F as in Frank and that diagnosis of R52 that you saw configured on the custom template is also assigned to the line item. By automatically assigning the diagnosis code, that's going to allow the charge to automatically leave the EHR without any clinical staff having to intervene. And it's also going to allow the charge to meet the criteria to flow out of the PEM billing system and go directly to the payer. Not only is it going to clear your claim edits, it's also going to be attached and on the same claim with your E&M code, which is oftentimes what your payers want for these CPT2 codes. So that's just a quick little overview of how the custom solution that we offer works within your NextGen application. We'd love to talk with you more about this solution. Give us a call and we can schedule a demo for your team today.